I had a dream today, and I dreamt that I was in a mailroom, and there was an African American woman in there. She was bringing order, organization, and she was sorting everything out. She was very frustrated and moving very fast, as if she had a deadline. And then she turned around to me and said, "By January 18th, this will all be straightened out. There will be order, and there will be organization." And the dream was over. So I just want to encourage you all in the Lord that He does hear the fervent prayer of the righteous man, and it availeth much. And He is going to smooth out the rough edges and make the crooked path straight for us. Keep praying for yourself, for your family, for this nation, that God will do according to His word, Isaiah 42, in our lives, in our family, and in this nation, that the crooked path will be made straight, and that everything that was done in secret will be revealed and shouted from the rooftop. God bless you. You guys have a good day. I've been a lot of places with the Lord. God bless you all. He is a mighty God, and He hasn't forgotten us. I don't care what man might say, and I'm encouraged in my heart, especially all the places I've been with the Lord this week. He's got us, saints. The Lord God of heaven has us. He is our shield and our buckler.